Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Randy if you're new here. I technically started the morning on the porch with the cats. We finally got it pressure washed so it's clean enough for them to go out there and explore. And yesterday they really loved it. So first thing this morning I decided to take them out for 30 minutes so we could all get some fresh air because honestly I wanted some fresh air too. But now I just fed them breakfast and I took my immunity shot. So if you see my previous vlogs, you'll know that I'm trying to do my ice roller in the morning. So we're gonna do the ice roller and eat an apple. Today's actually Monday and right now my brain is racing with the amount of things I have to do. I actually had a busy week last week, so I didn't get to work out as much as I wanted to, so I really wanted to get back into my usual routine this week, which means I need to prep some sweet potatoes right now. I have a load of laundry I need to throw on, that's in the back of my head. I need to do my workout today, obviously. And I'm like trying to figure out how I can fit my workout in and do everything that I need to do today. Because honestly, I was really wanting to dedicate like a good chunk of the morning to working out, but my Instagram post still isn't edited or finalized or posted. I wanted to go to the park to walk to start my workout, but that takes like so long. It takes like an hour. Like maybe I need to wrap up this ice rolling session and just put some sweet potatoes in the oven. That froze my forehead. And then run upstairs, put some laundry on, I guess start my workout. And then I can assess later if I have time to go walk at the park. And I honestly really need to figure out my content situation right now because I have a bunch of brands I'm working with right now and I need to get this YouTube video from last week posted because if you haven't noticed, I skipped that. Well, not skipped necessarily, it's just really late. And then I have other brands and I tried shooting for one yesterday and we had camera issues and it was sweltering hot. I'm honestly just really overwhelmed with things right now and I feel like my life is in shambles. But it's okay, we're trying to look put together. Plus I have to eat because this is just my pre-workout apple and I'm gonna be starving after my workout. Okay, let's clean up my ice roller and get started. So usually I actually use parchment paper instead of aluminum foil, but we had accidentally used aluminum foil for something else and then didn't need that much. So there was like a folded piece of aluminum foil in our drawer and I just really wanted to use it up and get it out of the drawer. But typically aluminum isn't the best to bake with because it can actually put aluminum in your food. So usually parchment paper is what I use to put below my sweet potatoes if you're at all concerned about your hormones. Hey Alexa, can you set a timer for 1 hour, please?
1 hour timer started.
Thank you. So a quick pro tip is when you have new blue jeans, and I'm talking blue jeans, like denim blue jeans, before you throw them in the wash with other clothes. You see how this is like a yellowy brown? That's a good sign. That just means I didn't wash them when I first bought them, so they're still dirty from the warehouse. So that's what you're wearing when you don't wash your jeans or clothes when you first wear them. But I feel like it's really important when you first buy new jeans that are blue because sometimes blue jeans have this blue stain in it that will come out when you first wash them the first few times and it can stain all of your other clothes and I've done it before. So every time I buy a new pair of jeans and I'm about to wash them, I always make sure I soak them in hot water beforehand to test to see if the blue dye would come out. And if it does, then make sure you wash them by themselves for the first few times. And then do the test again before you go washing it with other clothes because you do not want to stain all your good clothes blue. Come on, Marcel. So for breakfast, I was originally gonna do 2 eggs and a sweet potato, but then I remembered the other day I saw someone take a sweet potato and an egg and make a waffle out of it. So I'm really tempted to try that. And then I might make one regular egg on the side. So it's basically the same thing, but one egg is gonna be in the sweet potato and made into a waffle. I don't know. Do I even have time for that? Probably not, but I want to. So I just took the skin off the sweet potato and I'm gonna mix in the one egg and some cinnamon. So don't judge me for my waffle maker. I got this for $5 at Goodwill like 8 years ago, forever ago. I can't remember how long ago, it was forever. And she still works. So let's put the batter in here and hope that this works. Okay, I think the waffles are ready. Let's try to take them out. I'm scared. Oh, they're a little burnt. It's okay. They didn't stick, and that's kind of what matters, to me at least. Not making a huge mess with my waffle maker and wasting my time. Oh, so cute. And I guess we have enough batter for one more. Might as well. That one was ready really quick, so I don't know if it's just really hot now or if I let the other one overcook, or maybe that one's not ready. We're gonna give it another minute. I think I might just take the L on this one. Well, we managed to get 2 waffles out of that sweet potato, and I feel like that's really good because that was a small sweet potato. For the toppings, I'm gonna do some plant butter, and instead of maple syrup, I'm gonna do this date syrup. Okay, so the verdict on the sweet potato waffles, I wouldn't say they're worth it. It's not really giving waffle. It still has a sweet potato texture, but just a bit more dry. And you're also adding the extra calories with the butter and the date syrup, which you could put on a normal sweet potato and I feel like it would taste sweeter. I don't know, I just feel like I'd prefer to have 2 eggs and a sweet potato versus 1 egg and then the sweet potato waffles. But it's fun to mix it up if you're tired of just eating a sweet potato.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up here. I think this might be a shorter vlog this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey, Martha wants to say bye.
Bye, guys.